Okay, I don't have a battery yet for my cell phone, but I can show you a little bit of what I've been doing. Okay, I'm going to show you what it's like. It's a blizzard right now, and I had to show you the blizzard now because they tell me it's going to turn into freezing rain soon. So I thought I'd let you see the blizzard. Love you. Brenda, be warm. It's very, very cold. Can you see it's freezing? Okay, that was me. You could see I walk about 4 steps away and I'm completely in the whiteout. Darling, I hope you keep it nice and warm. Snuggle up to the kids if you need to. I love you. I'll call you one way or another later on today. I just wanted to let you see what I was doing right now. Let the boys see me in the blizzard. They'll like it. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.